Hello guys, welcome back to me talking about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you language teaching companies you should apply to if you would like to make some extra money online. But before you dive right in, please don't forget to hit the like button for the usual great theme, and of course don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Time is money and I don't want to waste yours, so let's get started. This video is brought to you by OctaFX, but more on that later. Number 1, LiveXP. This is a live streaming platform where you can teach any language. You are allowed to teach up to 5 languages. This company is relatively new. It was established in 2019, which makes it one of the hot companies because not so many people know about it yet. Students can book direct lessons or they can buy package lessons. Like any other tutoring platforms, you can offer free trials or free lesson and they can decide after if they want to book more lessons. As a non-native speaker, you can charge anywhere between $13 and $15, but if you are a native of whatever language or you have some experience, you can charge more, and the company pays via PayPal and Pioneer. You don't only get paid for private lessons. This is a streaming platform, so you do get paid for public streams, and you can also sell your courses. One of the reasons why most people don't succeed in online tutoring is the introduction video. Please take time to check other people's videos, especially those people with high rating or they've been on the platform for a while. Number 2, SkimmerTalk. SkimmerTalk is an online teacher marketplace that hires English tutors to teach Korean and Japanese students. You get paid anywhere between $12 and $48 per hour. It's actually a bit more, but the company takes 20% commission. You don't need any degree, but unfortunately they do require you to teach 3 lessons for free, which I think is not fair. But if you're going to be doing this for a long run, I think it will be worth it. You just have to look at a bigger picture. The nice thing about this website, no pre-test or interviews. They do also provide you with teaching material, and the company pays every month on the 10th. Should you decide not to show up, you do get fined $9, or if you cancel your lesson, they do fine you $6. While we're still talking about ways of making money online, forex trading is another way you can make money. Scammers have really weakened the credibility of forex trading by selling fake courses, coaching, etc. Now, many people are skeptical about trading forex, understandably. Honestly, if you feel like that, I don't blame you, because even I at some point really believed that forex wasn't real. But forex in itself is not a scam. However, it is a high-risk way of making money. To start trading, you need a broker, just like you need a bank to get money instead of just walking up to the Reserve Bank or wherever money is printed. But finding a broker is not enough. You need to find a reliable broker. OctaFX is a beginner-friendly forex trading broker that allows you to copy trades from experienced people. While this is amazing, you should still do your own extra research, or at least educate yourself more to have an understanding or an idea of what you're copying. The good thing is OctaFX has a library of information that you can access at any time, and they also have a free demo account where you can practice or at least get familiar with the platform, which I think is very necessary, especially for beginners or people who have never traded before, because guys, we work hard for this money and we need to understand what we're putting our money on. They've been in operation since 2011 and they've offered high-end trading experiences to more than 7 million trading accounts in 100 countries. They are a smart trading service combining everything a trader needs in an easy-to-use app, making it easy to deposit, withdraw, or trade simultaneously without any slippage or delay. One of the most important things if you work online is being able to withdraw your money whenever you want. And if you invest or trade, you also want to be able to withdraw or deposit easily. OctaFX allows you to deposit via Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, ER20, MasterCard, Visa card, and many other options. To start trading with OctaFX, firstly, download the OctaFX trading app. The link will be down below. Secondly, open a demo account with any amount and then switch to your real account once you find a strategy and double your deposit by using my discount code. This means if you start with $100, for instance, they will match it with another $100. Some of you are working 9 to 5 and barely get time to do other things, but maybe you still want multiple streams of income. With OctaFX's new feature, you can trade even on weekends, giving you an extra 2 days to maximize your profits. You can also take advantage of the latest news regardless of the day of the week. Some OctaFX benefits include, but not limited to, low spreads, trading without any volume-based fees or commissions, rapid withdrawals and deposits. If you sign up in April, you will get 15% lower spreads on different instruments, so don't miss out on this offer. You can read more on OctaFX website. Please bear in mind that investing involves high risk, so investing without any prior expertise is not recommended. Hence, you should make use of the education provided or just do your own extra research. Be aware of scammers using or imitating OctaFX, using their content, their name. Never send any personal information or funds via Telegram or WhatsApp or Facebook. Number 3, Ripe app. This company offers English, German, Spanish, Mandarin, Arabic, and French lessons to thousands of students around the world. They are based in Canada, but they do hire non-native speakers if you have 1 year experience, whether it's online or in person. You get paid anywhere between $9 and $11 per hour. They do have different schedules. I'll put it up here. And from this website, you can make up to $2,000. Number 4, Native Camp. This is another English teaching company that hires worldwide. No degree or experience is required. They do provide training. You have to be 18 or older, have intermediate English level, have a PC or a laptop. In order to get accepted, you must also pass their English proficiency test, of which you have to score at least 70%, and then after you have to undergo a system check and do a 25-minute demo lesson. If you'd like to teach English or any language that is in demand, please go ahead and apply to these companies. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'm going to try to reply as soon as I can.